Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Miller MIG welders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Eastwood MP250i 120 to 240 volts stainless steel welder. Eastwood MP250i is no doubt one of the most portable and affordable welders out there. It can weld stainless and steel and can work well with either 240V or 120V outlet. In addition to that, this multi-process 250 amp inverter welder has the ability to arc, TIG, MIG weld all from a self-contained, high-powered, and single unit. All you require to do it to switch torches for you to be able to do the quality welding. You can use it to weld custom fab parts, roll cages, body panels, and other auto works. Ideally, this stainless steel welder can weld thin sheet metal of up to 0.5 inches plate. Also, the welding machine has a 10 feet long power cord allowing you to weld anywhere. All 3 torches are included and can be utilized for flux core welding. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hitbox new arrival MIG 250 MIG 220 volts welder. If you are a welder who regularly works on delicate metalwork, then Hitbox new arrival welder is the machine for you. It has a great design, lightweight, small size, and easy to carry. Moreover, this machine can be utilized with a power generator, and it is easy to use for beginners. This multifunctional welder with arc, TIG, and MIG function has a maximum welding rod diameter of 4.0 millimeters. This welder comes with quality accessories and includes a gas tube, electrode holder, earth clamp, MB15 MIG gun, and it is ready to use. The solid wire or flux cord wire is selectable when you are doing MIG welding. Lastly, the machine comes with a 1-year limited warranty. At number 3, we have the Amico 205 amp MTS 205 arc 110 to 230 volts dual voltage combo welder. With Amico 205 amp combo welder, you can use both 230 volts or 115 volts power input and do not need more tools to connect to power receptacles. The welder is capable of welding up to 1/2 inch aluminum, copper, weld steel, mild steel, alloy, and cast iron. Besides that, it can work perfectly with flux cord wire, solid wire, and aluminum wire. The combo welder has stick function and TIG torch. Moreover, the welder is made with advanced IGBT technology and has a waveform control system. To ensure safety, this combo welder features automatic temperature control, overload protection, overcurrent protection, under voltage protection, over voltage protection, and steeples amperage control. It is synergic controlled and has very few spatters for clean arc ignition. At number 2, we have the Everlast Welders MIG 140,110 to 120 volts MIG welder. Everlast Welders is a versatile welding machine that has strong sheet metal construction, and it is perfect for small metal workstations and for most jobs in the home. The inverter-based design lowers power consumption and weights while increasing arc performance and duty cycle. In addition to that, it has stepless control for both wire voltage and speed. Also, it is designed to be utilized with both 4 inches and 8 inches wire spools, and the standard drive rolls can feed 0.023 inches to 0.035 inches wire diameter. IGBT inverter design usually outs out higher amp output and has a better duty cycle when contrasted with transformer-based MIG welders. With its 120 volts input design enables this welder to be utilized almost anywhere. And finally at number 1, we have the Lotos 175 amp MIG 175 MIG welder. The Lotos 175 amp is a cost-efficient MIG welder that is perfect for mild steel and light household projects. It is a durable aluminum wire feeder that offers a much better and welding experience. In addition to that, it includes a high-speed 10 feet 4 inches long MIG spool gun perfect for aluminum welding. It is ideal to weld thinner or 3/16 of an inch aluminum plate. Moreover, it has a transformer technology that has been verified and proven to be durable and reliable. This multi-use aluminum, mild steel, and stainless steel welder include argon regulator, gas hose, ground clamp cable, aluminum spool gun, and MIG torch. It is ideal to weld thinner or 3/16 aluminum plate. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.